AGN owns and operates the gas distribution networks across the state, in Adelaide and the major regional centres. Our vision is to deliver for the customer. Customers are at the heart of everything we do. So as we enter into the process to set our prices, our deliverables and our costs for the period 2021 to 2026, it's really important to us that we engage with our customers and stakeholders across the whole state.
Our decision has been really informative because there are a lot of things that we didn't know about gas, and actually it's really good so that we've been here at least to learn more about it. So I think we find it more educative as well, and then a lot of things that we didn't know we're still learning, and then I guess that's what the good thing about this station.
Our process is well underway. We've met a whole bunch of customers and stakeholders from Adelaide and all over the state, and already we've got some really excellent insights. It's clear that customers value safety, reliability and price.
I think it is really great, and as all of us here have agreed, it's actually reliable.
I think that's better than using the electricity, because in like Asian way we cooking would like to use gas more than the electricity.
Gained a lot of confidence that AGN can deliver on what they say they will deliver.
Also, customers are telling us they want us to do more on the environmental front. Gas today is a low carbon fuel compared to many other sources of energy, but our customers want us to do more on that front. Also, we know that the customer expectations on how they interact with us are changing. People want more channels, more ability to self-serve digitally. So a whole bunch of things already to help us guide and focus our proposals for the next 5 years.
Very interested to know about the new technology with the hydrogen.
We're going to have to look at how the impact on the environment is in the future years.
Gas is not an infinite supply. And unlike your solar with electricity, and you can do the sun and all of that, your hydrogen, you need to look at new technologies.
This process is important to us. It's how we make sure our plan delivers for the customer and how we make sure we get the input that we need from all our customers and stakeholders across the state. And for me as the Chief Executive, it's just a fantastic opportunity to get out there, meet customers, meet stakeholders. If you haven't had the chance to engage with us yet, go to our website. Gas Matters is our engagement hub, and you'll be able to join the conversation and help us shape our plans.